That will be all from my end. Do you have any questions for me? Oh my god, what if the interviewer thinks that I am arrogant if I ask a question? I don't have any questions. What is my salary going to be? Can I change my shift? Will I get free food? Asking the wrong questions or not asking any at all is a big mistake that you have been making during your interviews. By asking meaningful and thoughtful questions, here are three big things that you would be doing. Number one, showing interest. Asking questions shows that you are genuinely interested in the company and the role. It tells the interviewer that you have thought about this job beyond just the surface level. Clarifying information. This is your chance to get clarity on anything that wasn't covered during the interview. Whether it's about job responsibilities, company culture, or growth opportunities, you can use this time to fill in the gaps. Building rapport. Asking the right questions helps you build a connection with the interviewer. It's not just about answering their questions, but also about having a two-way conversation. This is your opportunity to make a lasting impression. Now that you know the importance of asking questions, here are 10 great questions that you can ask in your next job interview, and I have saved the best for the last. Question 1. Can you tell me more about the day to day responsibilities of this role? This is one of the best questions to ask because it gives you a clearer picture of what your daily work life will look like. Sometimes job descriptions can be vague or don't cover everything. So, this question helps you understand exactly what you would be doing. It shows the interviewer that you are thinking practically and would like to know more about what is expected out of you. By asking this, you might find out any task that you did not anticipate, or if this role is the right fit for you than you initially thought. If you are serious about your career and need some help to write your resume with respect to the profile summary, skills, experience, etc., then I share all of this in the Breakthrough Resume course. It's a recorded training that you can take at your preferred time and pace. You can grab this course from the link given in the description box below. Question 2. What are the biggest challenges the team is currently facing? This question digs a little deeper. Now, every team or company has some challenge or the other. By asking this, you will get to know the obstacles that you may face if you take this role up. It also shows that you're not just looking at the good parts of the job, but also the possible difficulties. For example, the interviewer might mention a big project that's behind schedule or issues with team collaboration. This gives you insight into how you can bring value by solving these problems. If you want to elevate your professional journey and work with me inside of the Career Transformation Program to enhance your personal income, then I invite you to fill up a simple application form to check if we are the right fit to work with each other. Once you submit this application, somebody from my team will get in touch with you. Question 3. How would you describe the company culture? Company culture is so important for your job satisfaction. You want to know what it's like to work there, not just what the job entails. This question gives you a sense of how the company operates, what the work environment is like, and how employees interact with each other. If they describe the culture as fast paced or collaborative, you will know whether that aligns with your own working style. It also helps you figure out if you would enjoy working there long term. Question 4. What are the company's long term goals and how does this department contribute to them? Now, every company has goals, and by asking about them, you are showing that you are interested in how the organization is growing and evolving. You also want to know how the department you are applying to fits into the bigger picture. This shows that you are thinking strategically. The interviewer might talk about future expansions, new product launches, or big projects in the works. This will help you see where the company is heading and how you can contribute. Question 5. Can you tell me about the career development and growth opportunities in this role? This question is all about your future at the company. You don't want to feel stuck in a job with no room for growth. By asking this, you will find out if the company invests in its employees and whether there is a clear path for advancement. The interviewer might mention mentorship programs, training opportunities, or possibility of promotions. Knowing this information can help you decide if this is a company where you can grow your career. Question 6. How do you measure success for someone in this role? This is a great question because it tells you what the company values. Are they focused on meeting deadlines, achieving sales targets, or something else? Knowing how success is measured gives you a clear idea of what's expected and how you can excel. The interviewer might mention specific KPIs, which are key performance indicators, or qualitative factors like leadership skills. This helps you prepare and succeed if you get the job. Question 7. Can you tell me more about the team I'll be working with? Your team can make or break your experience at a job. This question gives you insight into the dynamics of the team and helps you understand how you will fit in. It's also a great way to find out more about the personalities and work styles of your potential co-workers. The interviewer might talk about team collaboration, how they handle challenges, and what the team's strengths are. It helps you picture yourself working with them. Question 8. How does the company support work life balance? Work life balance is crucial for your well being. This question shows that you're thinking about your overall happiness and not just the job itself. It's also a way to see if the company respects boundaries and supports its employees in maintaining a healthy balance. Some companies might offer flexible work hours, remote work options, or wellness programs. Knowing this ahead of time can help you decide if it's a good fit for your lifestyle. Question 9. Can you share any recent successes or milestones the company has achieved? By asking about the company's recent successes, you are showing that you're interested in the company's progress and accomplishments. It's a way to learn more about what's going well and what the company is proud of. They might mention a new product launch, reaching a revenue goal, or an award they have received. It also gives you a positive note to end the conversation on. Question 10. Ask for the next steps in the hiring process. Always ask for the next steps. It shows that you are interested in moving ahead and also sets your expectations up. You will know when to receive feedback and what the second part of the hiring process looks like. The interviewer might tell you about follow up interviews, assessment tests, or give you a timeline for when they will make their decision. This helps you stay prepared and proactive. Let's go over a few quick tips for asking questions in your next interview. Prepare ahead of time. Don't wait until the last minute to think of your questions. Have at least 3 to 5 questions ready before the interview so you're not caught off guard. Tailor your questions. Make sure your questions are relevant to the role and the company. Avoid asking questions you could easily find answers to online. Be mindful of time. Pay attention to the length of the interview. If the interview is running long, pick one or two key questions to ask. If you have more questions, ask if you can follow up later. Stay positive. Ask questions that show enthusiasm and curiosity about the company. Avoid overly critical or negative questions as they can leave a bad impression. If you are serious about your career and are ready to kickstart the job search process, then grab the Breakthrough Resume course, which is linked in the description box below. Again, it's a recorded training that you can take at your preferred time and pace. What's the one question out of these 10 that you are definitely going to ask in your next job interview? I would love to know. Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a like, subscribe to this channel for more career related tips. Thank you so much for watching this training and I will see you in this one next. Bye bye.